Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the tracking number on eBay Seller Hub. So head over to ebay.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your account, go to the top right corner and click on Sell. It will then direct you to your Seller Hub. This is where you'll manage all of your orders, listings, and sales. So what I want you to do is hover on Orders and click on All Orders. By the way, depending on your layout, it would either say orders or something like sold. Here, you will see all of your recent orders that may need action on. The first thing you want to do is find the correct order where you want to update the tracking number or add a tracking number on. If you have many orders right here, you can use the search bar and add some filters as well. You either want to use the buyer username, buyer name, or many more. So once you find that order, you're going to have to click on it to open the order details. Inside the order details, look for Add Tracking Number or Update Tracking. It would then direct you to the option to open the tracking form. You're going to have to enter the tracking number there provided by your shipping carrier. Then the next step, there should be a drop down that will allow you to select the shipping carrier. By the way, before you proceed, make sure the tracking number is correct. So once everything looks good, there will be a button there that would say Save. Click on Save, and after that, eBay will automatically notify the buyer that their order has tracking information. So this helps the buyers track their package and build trust in your store. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.